Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make white chocolate macadamia nuts blondies. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 325 degrees. Then in a large mixing bowl, add in the melted butter and brown sugar and whisk them together until they're combined. If the mixture feels quite hot, then let it cool down slightly. Then add in the eggs and vanilla extract and whisk them in until they're combined. Then add in the flour and salt and mix them in until they're almost combined. Then add in the white chocolate chips and roughly chop up the macadamia nuts. And add them into the bowl and mix them all together until they're combined. Lightly grease an 8 or 9-inch square pan and pour the batter into the pan. Spread it out until it's even and bake it in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once it's done, remove it from the oven and place it onto a cooling rack and let it cool. And you can serve them still warm or cooled completely. And that's how to make white chocolate macadamia nuts blondies. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.